But bro, why is there like only like one halls in here? Like why like there's like all these other snacks, but just one halls? Why is there even just one halls? Who just comes over here and just buys a halls and just eats it all? And I guess everybody likes halls because all of it is gone. And all of this like yesterday used to be just like old chips and just like only like halls, and that's mostly it. Yeah. Like and subscribe if you want me to get the halls cough medicine out of the vending machine. Like and subscribe and comment. Get the halls Emerson filming. Okay, bye.